we went to go look at it, and I said, this was a few days ago, I said, look, buddy, he called when we were at dinner, and I said, don't you let her get this car. Don't let her do it yet. I said, here's my plan, and I said, don't. He goes, okay, I'll put it in the back or something. So we get there, and he says, oh, it's sold. I'm going, oh, that was a little... I went in his office, I said, you're kidding, right? I said, that was a little too much.
Yeah, because I'm like, because we were so excited to go see the car.
Right.
And I was like, we drove all the way down there, hurried up and ate dinner, and we get there and he's like, oh, that one's sold. And I'm like, you know, you can't do that to people. You can't. I called them out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I called them out. I'm like, you can't do that to people. Have them come all the way down and it's sold.
Right.
Like, and I was telling Jess, I'm like, you know, he just did that to get us in the dealership.
Absolutely.
And it was a big plan.
Oh my gosh,
was
so he
so
was
hard.
in on it too. He said it was sold, but it wasn't
You want to
sold.
switch?
And
Yeah.
he-
You want
and
to
he's like-
ask Uncle Dave. You can wear the blue ones.
That is so... So you got it for the good price too? Wow.
That's
I
so
can't believe
nice,
it.
Nicole.
I would not be a good adult. I felt so bad. I know, that's huge.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
expensive. Yeah. That's another-
Can I look inside?
Hook into it.
Go smell that
I like the smell of it.
Oh,
thing. Be very careful because it barely fits in here.
wow.
That is
I
so
can't believe-
nice.
Pat, and then who did you talk to? Oh, our neighbor, huh?
Well, that's another story. Oh boy.
Wow.
Yeah, go ahead on that side because
You
there's.
want to pull it out?
You got a
Yeah.
new car.
Wow.
Oh, that's a great idea. Mom, you want to record a little bit? It's
Yeah.
on video.
It's on video now, so
Yeah. All you have to do is hold it. It's on.
just hold it. It's on.
Yep.
Okay.
Dave, Uncle Davey says give a kiss.
I like. Yeah, that's sweet.
Hey, G.
Yeah. That's sweet. Very sweet.
Everywhere you go, take a look.
Oh, that was stressful but fun.
Where's that bow at?
The bow's in the back.
Oh.
With all the paperwork and, I mean, that takes hours, you know?
Clever.
So I don't get it. Okay, so we went there. Why did we go there?
Okay, one of my first lies was when I said I was going to go see Grandpa Mike on Sunday.
And I was so upset because I had all this Christmas stuff to do.
Yeah, you were so mad. And Christmas was coming and Goose was fat and all these things to do for you and me. And it's like the only time I could do it. And I had to have someone give me a ride to go over there. So I didn't have two cars to drive back.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Now I feel really bad. All this pouting and
Well,
The finance manager comes in, she's like, how you doing? I'm like, I'm good, but I am so stressed. She goes, why are you stressed? I said, my wife's going to either kill me or leave me if I don't get this done and get back. I knew you wouldn't, but
that's sweet.
well, when you came back, I was okay.
you were. I was
I
so
was
grateful.
fine.
I was just
when he
so
left, though, I
scared.
was like, because I was trying to do the ATVs,
Oh, I don't blame you.
put them together, and I
Oh.
wasn't finished yet. I wanted to get it finished, and then
And all the different things
I was
we
like,
had
it's
to
not
do.
the right time. Can you go later? And
Thank goodness we had a friend go to the hospital, urgent, critical care. That was my excuse. And I wanted to go see him. I was going to, but it took a while.
That's sweet. Yes.
bad with all my pouting.
You're okay. You're just mad for a good reason. I don't blame you. I wanted to tell you so bad.
And he's like, no, I really have to go, Nicole. And I'm like, well, can you just do it a little bit later? Like, it was the timing, you know?
Pretty sweet.
Wow.
Someone's turning 4 today.
Yay! Happy birthday
to you. Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear.
Brandy.
Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Now what are you gonna do?
Make a wish. Blow it out.
Yay! Can you do it again? Because I missed it.
Okay, we'll
Sorry.
go again.
Do we have two?
I was getting Grammy and then I missed.
I think I got it, but not like a video. You got it good. Oh.
Get to blow it again.
Happy birthday, dear Brendan. Happy birthday to you.
Woo! Can I make a wish? Yay!
That's good. We need some spin on that
Good
cake.
job.
Good one. Give me 5,
Yay!
champion.
And then
Wow.
I want a kiss because I get a kiss.
Where was Brendan?
I get a kiss on film.
Here, I'll get it for you.
Aw, get it. Birthday cake.
Okay, kiss Mama.
Happy birthday.
Give Mama
birthday.
give Mama a kiss.
Another kiss.
Oh,
Birthday cake.
Bryson's grabbing the fire stick.
Oh, you're sweet.
Aw.
Where's your vehicle at? Oh, that's
Bryce, did you find the birthday cake?
What's that?
Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
you can do Mickey Mouse, and you can do coloring, and you can
Look at
do
that,
PJ
baby.
Masks. You just needed more screen time. You only get 17 hours a day.
You
This
know what
is
that has?
a limit.
Timer.
Hallelujah.
So you can time it.
Yay!
Wow,
get it,
Brittany,
you know,
that's
half
really
an hour.
special.
Okay.
It's got a 2-year warranty, Nicole.
Okay.
I sent the papers
I'll
with
get
you.
the scissors, Brad.
I'm so happy you like it.
Oh, that's a sweet hug you did.
I'm so happy.
Look at that.
Pardon me.
Okay, Bryce, you've been waiting all day for this. And we finally got it all together. And you're going right in the bushes. Thanks to Daddy and Uncle Dave. Uncle Dave finished it for you and fixed it for you. Huh, got it all ready for you. Isn't that nice? Oh my gosh, that thing is fast.
We had a lesson on first gear and second gear in reverse. And he was really cautious.
Oh my gosh.
But now he wants second gear all the way. And we got this little light and stuck it in, so he's got a headlight.
That's cool.
How are you doing, champion? How's little cute nugget? Go, go, go.
Let's see, Brittany, let's see you go. Here comes the car, here comes the car.
I'm gonna go to the grass.
Let's see it, Brittany. Let's see it go real quick and I want to get you on film. Not in the car though. Like, there you go. Turn away from the car. Okay, ready, set, go. Woo! Woo! That thing is fast. Yeah, just turn it around. There you go. Ready?
It's moving that way.
Just turn it around. Turn your handlebars this way. See, here comes the car. Push the gas, push the gas, push the gas. There you go. Stop, 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 stop. Because, and then we're going that way. Okay, ready? Okay, put gas. There you go.
Did you say stop?
There, and then go to Daddy. Wow! That thing is fast.